So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. What is IMG, sir? Embedding an image in a web page. So if you got a content, if an image as a content in a web page, you'll be using this image, IMG. And there are two important tags you must learn. The one is the source tag, the other one is alternative tag. What is a source tag, sir? Source tag is nothing but from where you are trying to import an image. Which image you are going to show it to me, that is called SRC, source tag. It can be two. The one is like from the URL. So I got a website, I got an image in your internet. I got that URL, put that link. Or else I can have that file in my remote folder, in my specific folder. In my web server itself, I can specify that one. So it is a source from where the image is there. I want to show that image. If the image is not there, then I need to give an alternative tags. So ARALT. Alternative tag is nothing but if the image is not there, display this particular text, that is called alternative tag. Apart from that, you got a lot of tags. We are going to see it now in our websites. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. So over here, you got the image tag, so IMG tag. If you click it here, I got my image tag here. So image tag, so it will be placed in the body tag. That is very, very important. You got the head, so it's not mandatory. You got the body tag, IMG, SRC is equal to, this is the logo, wikiteki.com/images/logo.png. And the alternative is Wikiteki logo. If the logo is not there, so if the logo is not in the path, show the text, the alternative text. So this is very, very important for search engine optimization. Google is suggesting that you have to give compulsory, you must give this alternative tag. Okay, so let's move on here. So we can see it here. I got this is how the syntax, and over here you got the output, and there are some options available. Character set, specifying the character encoding of the linked documents. Okay, you can specify this one. This is not mandatory. These are all not mandatory in the latest version of no is set for a lot of things. That is not mandatory for HTML5, the latest version. Alignment, you can specify it. Alternative text, you can specify it. Border, you can specify it. Cross origin, if the image is taken from outside, you need to specify it. Okay, specifying the height and specifying the width. Okay, specifying the white space on the left and right side of an image. So indicating that it is a server-side image map. Okay, map, we'll talk about those things later. Client-side image map is specified here. And you can specify the description of the URL and specifying the URL. So this is how, these are some of the properties, and I've told you which browsers are supporting, everything specified here. This is how your IMG image tag is in HTML.